Let's begin the final topic: values. What are values? Values defined in organizational behavior as the collective conceptions of what is considered good, desirable, and proper or bad, undesirable, and improper in a culture. Characteristics. Values are different for each person. These are relatively permanent. These are more central to the core of a person. They have a great role to play in the conduct of social life. They help in creating norms to guide day-to-day behavior. Values can differ from culture to culture and even person to person. Attitude. Attitude is the manner, disposition, feeling, and position about a person or thing, tendency, or orientation, especially in the mind. Characteristics of attitude are: attitudes are the complex combination of things we call personality, beliefs, values, behaviors, and motivations. All people, irrespective of their status or intelligence, hold attitudes. It may be positive or negative and may be affected by age, position, and education. Personality and emotions. What is personality? It is the sum total of ways in which an individual reacts and interacts with others. What are emotions? Emotions. Intense feelings that are directed at someone or something. Perception. Perception is the process by which individuals organize and interpret their sensory impressions in order to give meaning to the environment. What one person perceives can be substantially different from what another person perceives, and both can be very different than the actual object reality. Importance of perception. It is important because the overall behavior in the workplace is based on people's perception of the workplace. Effect of perception on employees and workspace. In terms of perceptions, research has shown that what most employees perceive from their work situation influences their productivity the most. Therefore, to influence productivity, it is necessary for employers to assess how workers perceive their jobs. It is important to be aware of the various factors that influence our perceptions, especially when making important decisions that affect the organization.